Blow, kaboom.
Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every